I'll give you a little tip. For those of you who find meditations and you think all is spirituality and all of this, if you're new to this and you want to explore a little bit, if you find that your mind has got very bad thoughts and very bad tendencies, I can give you a simple thing, exercise. Anybody can do. Just put your hands like this. In your own room, doesn't matter. Don't go on the street. Don't do it on the street. Just inside your house when you get up. Even preferably when you're on your own. And just walk around, just like this. Just walk like this. Just walk around. Slowly, just walk around. Look, walk around like this. Just keep walking around. But keep your hand like this, okay? Don't listen to your thoughts. But pay attention to your inner feeling, your inner space. But just walk like this. Just walk a little bit around. Just keep like this. For as long as you can. Even 10 minutes, 15 minutes, half an hour. Just walk. You don't have to speak. And when you have to do some activity or you're going on the street, just have an inner image of doing like this inside. Just you're like this. Everywhere you go, every person you meet, just like this inside. You don't have to do it on the street. Of course, people think, what's wrong with you? So you don't have to do it. Don't demonstrate this. But just by yourself, as you move about in your own apartment, just move like this. Please keep your head down a little bit and just move slowly and not thinking. You're not thinking. Huh? But even if thoughts are there, it doesn't matter. Suppose thoughts are there, it doesn't matter. You just keep on this, be in this, and feel like you're in this even inside, even when your hands are down. Huh? Inside you're like this. So when you go shopping or you're on the street, a little bit of mindfulness, no? Just be like this. This recreates, recenters, you can say, I don't know, it just brings you back to your heart. Feel very light and happy, and gratitude also for life, and kindness. It develops the loving kindness just by itself. No complex theories and spiritual exercises of some elaborate things. Simply this. So light, so easy, no strain, and feel, not think. Feel yourself again. Feel how natural this feels, how good it feels. It's not religion particularly, it's not anything, but just you. Even if you stop, turn. Sometimes you want to walk a bit back. Sometimes you feel it like this. Same thing. Slowly. Relax. Don't try to be anything. Don't say, this is very spiritual. Don't put any labels. No label. Nothing. Just be empty. But put like this. And you'll feel it starts to change something inside. It brings you back here into your heart again. Just this. Just move. Keep your mind empty if you can do it. You cannot be like this and have negative thoughts. It doesn't happen, doesn't work. You start to feel something is a stranger here, and it won't be this. You understand? So you feel this, and this is something I feel a joy in sharing this with you today like that, and as often as you want. It also brings a lot of quietness inside, a lot of peace and loving kindness. Simple, isn't it? So try it. Nice little exercise. See you later.
Love is, love is, love is, love is, love what is. Love is, love is, love is, love is, love what is. Love is, love is, love is, love is, love what is. Love is, love is, love is, love is, love what is. The love in me is, the love in you are. Love not older, love not new. This love is now, this love is true, and it is as it ever will be.